I entered your home last night. You welcomed me at the door. I knew what it meant. It meant you would let me in, and so I entered. Body burning with a soft glow, heart a pulsing animal. I took your hand, led you to your very own couch, placing my head on your knee just for a moment. Then I said, fetch a bowl of water and a towel, and you did, tenderly holding your foot, hands hungering. I began to wash your foot, my body singing music to you, washing and caressing, pouring water